and welcome to Creative Vibes. And today what we're going to learn is the V-stitch. This has become, I would say, my new stitch crush. I love learning how to do this one. It's a 4-row repeat pattern that consists of basically all knits and knit below. So if you're not familiar with the knit below technique, it will be best to just familiarize yourself with that. While I will show you how to do it in this video, it is definitely best to get familiar with how to do that. So I will attach that video here so you can reference that before starting. What else can I tell you? So it is not reversible. So this side looks like this, and then you have the back side that looks like this. I like this side as well. It's textured on this side too. So it's kind of a win-win either way, however you do it. So what I need you to do is grab your yarn and your needles, come on back, and we'll get to learn how to do the V-stitch. So for the cast on, you can use whichever cast on method you feel comfortable with. I just did the long tail cast on, and you need to cast on in odd numbers. So I have 13 stitches casted on so far. So with that, we can move on to row 1. So I'm a right hand knitter, so I'm going to switch over. And row 1 consists of knit all. So you're going to knit all your stitches all along this row. So let's begin. So row 2, I zoomed in a little bit so you can see exactly where I'm doing the knit below. So row 2, you are working on the wrong side of your work. You have your tail pointing towards where you're going to first knit. So should be on the wrong side of the work. It's going to be knit 1 and then do what's between the asterisks, knit 1 below, and then knit 1. Okay, so let's start. So you're going to knit the first stitch. Get that tail out of the way. Knit the first stitch, okay? Now, you see this little bump right here. You see your bump right here, okay? You're going to knit below that bump. So get your needle right in there, okay? That's your knit below. So knit below that and then off. Then you're going to do 1 regular knit. Okay? So let's do that again. See your bump here? Go right below that bump for your knit below. And off. And now your regular knit. Just one more just to show you. Find your bump. Put your needle below that bump. Knit below. Then knit. And you're going to do that all the way down your stitches. And I'll see you at the end of the row. Row 3 is another very easy row that you're familiar with. You're going to be on your right side of your work. You're just going to knit all your stitches. Row 4 has a little bit more to it, but you're familiar with everything, so it should be a breeze. So it's going to be knit 2, knit 1 below, then you're going to do what's between the asterisks, knit 1 below, then you're going to knit your last 2 stitches. So let's start. Going to knit 2, 1, and then 2. Okay. Then you're going to find that bump once again, and then go right underneath that for your knit below and off. Okay, now you're going to do the asterisks. You're going to knit 1, find your bump again, and spread the stitches apart if you're too bunched up. Go right below, knit below. Okay, knit 1, find your bump, knit below. Knit 1, find your bump, knit below. Knit 1, find your bump, knit below. Okay, you're down to your last 2 stitches. I'm just going to do a regular knit, 1, 2. Okay. So that is the 4-row repeat. You're just going to continue that for however long your pattern dictates. You get into a rhythm, and especially when you learn that knit below and you get into a rhythm of that, it goes so smoothly, and as you've seen earlier, you get a beautiful creation afterwards. So please like the video. It does help circulate the video so others can learn as well. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. It does help the community grow, and I will see you on the next video. Happy knitting!